The Force of Love, a working desk meditation. Welcome. From a fellow traveler. Please open your meditation journal and write the keywords for today's meditation at the top of a new page. The Force of Love. Today we will begin to explore the heart center. Not as a source of feeling, but as a dynamic center of spiritual force that radiates healing, inclusion, and planetary blessing. Draw your empty circle, your point of focus, on the top half of your notebook page. Trace over it with your finger a few times. We often think of love as an emotion, but in the spiritual sciences, love is far more than that. It is a force, a magnet, a universal current that binds all life into one. In this meditation, we enter the heart center, not to feel personal affection, but to experience the force of love as a living stream of energy capable of healing, restoring, transforming the world. The force of love originates from the soul and flows through the heart. It is attractive, magnetic, and inclusive. It draws together what is fragmented. It heals separation. It builds bridges between people, nations, and worlds. In meditation, when we activate the heart center with purpose, we become radiators of this love force, sending it into the subtle planes where true healing begins. Sit comfortably. Bring your attention gently to the center of your chest. Imagine a glowing green light. Subtle, steady, strong. This is the heart center. It is not the seat of emotion. It is the throne of the soul's love. Now silently speak this invocation. May the love of the soul flow through my heart as a blessing to all life. Visualize soft streams of light, extending outward from your heart, reaching your community, your country, and the earth itself. Feel the warmth, the silent power, the embracing presence of this force. It moves not with sentiment, but with strength, beauty, and purpose. You are now a living transmitter of spiritual love. When many hearts are united in this way, their combined radiation becomes a field of protection for humanity. It can help dissolve hatred, soften fear, and inspire right action. This is not symbolic. It is powerful, energetic law. Love, consciously directed, is one of the most transformative forces on earth. The time has come to shift from feeling love to functioning as love, to wielding the force of love for the common good, to becoming active, conscious distributors of this subtle force through our thoughts, our presence, our meditations. You can radiate love while walking, working, or listening. You can build a habit of luminous giving that blesses the world without words or effort. So, as we start our meditation today, let us ask, what if love is not a sentiment, but an energy I am meant to direct, like a beam of light, toward those who need it most? This is my symbolic representation of today's meditation. When you have completed your meditation, please take the time to draw the symbols you experienced and write down any thoughts that were impressed upon you. Trace over the symbols with your finger, and finally, trace over the circle to close the meditation. Thank you for your presence in meditation today. May you be a force of love wherever you go.